Most bettors ignore this market, but if you know how to analyze it properly, it can be a gold mine. Today I'll show you how to break it down, team to score both halves, yes, like a pro. So we'll obviously be focusing on the La Liga, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Real Betis vs FC Barcelona. So checking the last 5 matches, right? On 24/01/21, we can see that our market worked, guys. The reason I'm saying this, but before I go to the reason, I want to remind you of the market of which we're focusing on today, which is the team to score both halves, right? So right now, we'll obviously be saying Barcelona to score both halves, yes. So which means Barcelona is going to score both halves. If Barcelona scores both halves, maybe one first half, 2 goals second half, we win our bet, right? That's how it goes. So right now, as we'll be saying Barcelona to score both halves, alright? Let me come back to the reason. The reason I say this is that if you check the first half, Barcelona scored 1 goal, and if you check the second half, Barcelona scored another 3 goals, which came to 4 in a total, like summing both halves, those goals. So yeah, you can see that Barcelona scored 4 goals in total and scored the both halves, so which means our strategy worked in this match. Our market. So yeah, guys, moving on the next match on 24/12/07, we can all see that our market worked again. As you can see, Barcelona obviously scored the first half and also the second half. So yeah, our market worked here. So checking another match, next match on 25/01/15, we can see that our market worked, guys. Our market worked. So yeah, guys, as you see, as we're analyzing, you could also try to use another market if you want, if you'd like to. Like for an example, you could also use the over 1,5 or 2,5 or 3,5 because it's been working. If you check the first match, like they scored, let me say, 6 goals in total. The other match, 4 goals in total. This match, 6 goals in total. So if you really want to understand those markets very well, you could check out my playlist on my channel where I'll show you how to analyze every market of which you could think of on a betway, right? For an example, the over 1,5, 2,5, both teams to score, no, both teams to score, yes. Like I show you how to analyze those kind of markets in that playlist. So yeah, let's get back to the video. Checking another match on 25/04/05, we can see that our market didn't work. Our market didn't work in this match. The reason I'm saying this is that if you check the first half, right, both teams scored 1 goal, which came to 1-1. And if you check the second half, no goal was scored. The goal score still remains the same, which means our market didn't work in this match. But the market is working pretty well. It's been working. It's just one match. Maybe another player was on an injury, went to injury or something else. So yeah, checking the last match on 25/12/06, we can all see that our market worked, guys. Our market worked. Because you can see Barcelona scored for first half and another goal the second half, guys. So as we're analyzing, we can all see that our market worked 4 times in a row, not in a row, but 4 times in the last 5 matches. Our market worked 4 times, guys. So if you really want to explore new markets so that you can increase your bankroll, and win more and be a profitable sports bettor, you could check for some markets on my channel. There's a playlist of which I've done for you guys. So you can check out how to analyze some of the strategies of which you don't know. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.